This is the Queen's famous dessert, and the best part is it melts in your mouth. In a bowl, we will start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. Next, 200 grams of cream, 200 grams of coconut milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Then we're going to mix all of this together very well. Here I am using a packet of unflavored gelatin already hydrated. After adding, it's just a case of mixing very well again. Let's now transfer this to a dish of your choice. Once that's done, just refrigerate it until it's chilled. Meanwhile, in a frying pan, we're going to add a cup of sugar. Mix well until the sugar melts and turns to caramel. This is the sweet spot. Now we're going to add 100 grams of grated coconut. I'm using in focus here. Stirring well now. Then add 200 grams of cream and we're going to stir again. Guys, let's stir until we reach this consistency. At this point, it's perfect. We're going to remove it now, let it cool down, and then we'll add it on top of our pre-cooled dessert. After spreading thoroughly, put it back in the fridge. Next, once it's cooled, cut it up and enjoy. Just look at how amazing this dessert turns out. Incredibly quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home, everyone's guaranteed to love it. I hope you like it. That was another recipe from Paul in the kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time. Enjoy.